Good morning, friends. My name is Arun, and today in this recording session, I wanna go to talk about the basic part of the cloud. But these concepts are very important concept nowadays because people are asking mainly during evaluation and interview round. So the cloud computing is also one of the great and one of the vast subject matter in software industry in IT. So in cloud, it is not like AI and something. To AI is buzzword something, but cloud is a platform that exists with different set of facilities services cloud has. Okay, and cloud is helping all the industries, hosting the website, moving the files, managing the software, managing your database. And my dear friends, it is 24 by 7 up and running, just because of scaling up, scaling down, horizontal scaling, vertical scaling. Such kind of feature altogether already available in the cloud. That's why it is market demand, and it is booming industry cloud technology. If you are a cloud engineer, cloud architect, solution architect, so cloud is something like when you are eating a food, it is like chawal and dal, chapati. If you need vegetables, others thing, that is fine. But without rice and bread, you will not eat. Similar way, cloud is going to be transformed, and it had been transformed, and it is already helping so many industries in terms of the hosting, platform, services, right? So let's get started. The today agenda. So today agenda is not to discuss deep dive about the cloud technology is, but let me discuss three things. A very important part for each and every whatever you are starting, even a single work, whatever you are going to perform on Azure Cloud, AWS or Google. This is important part to start with. The first of all, resource, resource group and subscription. Every task, every single task, I'm telling you, every single task required three things: resource, resource group and subscription. Okay, so let us understand with the help of this with the help of this uh, notepad. Okay, not notepad, but as a pen and brush. Let me open that pen and brush. Let me open for you, my dear friends. All right, make it very large window like this way. I just enlarge it. So if you are already a cloud professional or middle level engineer, or if you are thinking to start your career in cloud computing and cloud platform, Microsoft Azure Cloud, so you need to do some certification, Azure 900, some admin kind of certification. You are a BTech, MTech, MCA guys, and you already worked 1 or 2 years in cloud, but you are struggling to understand the basic part. So let me help you in this video only. Okay, so as I said, the resource group. So let me draw one picture here. Okay, so let me talk what is resource. Okay, see, as you see the name itself, resources. Resource means the basic unit of cloud. It is a virtual machine, it is a web apps, it is a services, it is services or virtual machine or subnet or whatever the web application, web apps, app services, data services, whatever you are going to create. those all are basic unit, whatever and whichever is going to work and involve in your planning. If you wanted to move cloud, or and if you wanted to set up Cosmos DB, or any sorts of task that you are going to perform on Azure Cloud, first and foremost things that you should know is a resource group. So all those basic part comes under here, like VM हो गया, subnet, others. Okay, so these are the resources. So suppose you are going to create a virtual machine or subnet or whatever, then first of all you need to create a resource. Okay, then you link these resources, whatever resources, the basic unit. I said you the basic unit, basic. Okay, of cloud. Okay, you, I assume and presume that you already created the resource. Now the next step would be you have to link these resources to, you have to link the resource with the resource group. So let me draw another picture. Resource group. So resource. Okay, so resource group, you added resource, then you link these resources. What are those resources? Those resources are virtual machine, subnet, whatever app service you are going to create, you are going to use in your task. Then you created the first step is resource. Second, you link those resources to the resource group. Okay, you linked is completed. I'm telling you, I'm not deep diving. Linked is completed. It means that you create virtual machine, then you link those resources with the one resource group. You give the name of the resource group. Okay, now once you linked all those resources to inside one resource group, suppose three resources linked with one resource group, right? So I am assuming the resource group name is A, correct? Then the third step here is to create subscription. Okay, let me go and draw one picture here. So let me go and create a subscription for you, my dear friend. So go and create subscription. Okay, okay, subscription. Now this is a, this is a billing entity. Okay, this is for billing and budget and money, paisa, money. Okay, so you created resources, virtual machines, what sorts of resources you need to work in cloud. Then you need to link those resources to one unit, which is resource group. Link those resources in a one box, uh, one bag, which is a resource group. Now every resource group should link with the subscription. What is subscription? Pay as you go basis, all right? And what sorts of things that you are going to work, pay as you go basis or whatever. So like okay, so here you can see my subscription is pay as you go basis, right? Or 1 year entire pricing model. So every resource group, whatever you are working in cloud, every task should assign to subscription. You are not going to utilize and take the spaces of cloud unnecessarily without a penny of money, right? 1 रुपया भी आप बिना दिए हुए कुछ कर नहीं सकते क्लाउड पे. Microsoft Azure Cloud Management. Though it is very important, and this is very robust solution to being a cloud architect. Okay, so every resource group linked with subscription. Okay, so these are basic part of any cloud, whatever you are working. Okay, so keep in mind this is very important part, whatever you are working today and tomorrow. Get familiar, read some books, what is resource group, and how to link resource to resource group, and with subscription means according to the law. Let me take one more example regarding subscription. It is something you taken the registration for Vodafone, Geo, and other mobile industries. Whatever the billing entity, 28 days Geo plan. After 28 days, your Geo plan is expired. Then it asks you to recharge. Otherwise, your facility will stop. So what you will do? You will go and recharge. Similar way, subscription work in the cloud industry. You created resources. You link those resources with the resource group, and one resource group linked with subscription. Tomorrow, if you given 4 months subscription duration, after 4 months, if the subscription is going to be expire, then notification will be generated from cloud, and the PMO team and whoever managing the cloud applications, you can check in Resimetrics who is performing those billing and sorts of budgeting part. So they will go and reset it with the new date. So in this way you can work. I hope this makes sense. Thank you very much for watching this session, and this is, I hope this makes sense for you. And please subscribe, please subscribe my channel here. Okay, thank you.